Setting up going into tomorrow, and it's prompting red flag warnings. So this is serious business here in Southern California. So we have winds starting to peak for us going into tomorrow evening, overnight into Wednesday, but we still have offshore flow for basically the remainder of this week into the weekend. We could get those northeasterly winds anywhere from 25 to 30 miles per hour sustained, with gusts of up to 55 or 60. It's also going to be not only a strong event, but a cold event, with temperatures overnight going to be pretty chilly as well. Tonight, here's what you can expect. Breezy starting off in our mountains and our deserts. Our beaches overnight in the low 50s, low 40s for our inland areas, mid 30s in the mountains, and upper 40s in the deserts. Now, as we get into tomorrow, we do have some chances of that patchy fog and low cloud development along the coast into some of those western valleys, just because we see a coastal eddy start to spin up. The culprit of our Santa Ana winds, part of it at least, an area of low pressure, is going to swing kind of south. That's what's going to kick up a little bit of that moisture and cloud cover overnight tonight into early parts of Tuesday morning. But for the most part, we're looking at pretty clear skies with that offshore flow into mid-January. Now let's talk about daytime highs tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit cooler, but not too much change there. Mid 60s into parts of downtown and much of the San Diego City proper. Into East County, mid to upper 60s there. Mountains are going to be in the mid 50s. North County coastline looking like we're going to be a mix of mid 60s to low 70s there. Here's another check on that wind gust forecast. So again, we're going to start to see that offshore flow set up tomorrow morning, but the peak of the winds expected tomorrow evening, overnight into Wednesday. And again, you can see some of those corridors there that are extremely gusty, and into the I-8 corridor there, Pine Valley, going to be difficult for travel. Camp Pendleton into Orange County also looking at some dangerous conditions. Again, if a fire were to break out with these dry, windy weather, it could spread very, very rapidly. These are somewhat similar conditions to that lilac fire that broke out in 2018. And so we are talking about very dry, critical fuel loads and the potential for rapid